In this video, I'll show you how to create external hyperlinks in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. This is a super useful skill if you want to link text to a website, online resource, or external page directly from your document. Whether you're making a report, a handout, a school assignment, or a professional document, adding hyperlinks helps make your content cleaner, more interactive, and much easier to navigate. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Word tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, open the document where you want to add the hyperlink. This can be a new blank document or an existing file you're already working on. The important thing is to have the text ready that you want to turn into a clickable link. Next, find the text you want to link to an external website. This could be a word, a phrase, a sentence, or even a call to action like "Visit our website" or "Learn more here." Click and drag your mouse to select the text. Make sure the correct text is highlighted, because this is what will become the clickable hyperlink in your document. Once your text is selected, you have two ways to add the link. The fastest method is to press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. If you prefer using the menu, you can also go to the Insert tab and then click Link. Both methods will open the same hyperlink window, so use whichever one feels easier for you. Now, the Insert Hyperlink box will appear. This is where you'll paste the web address you want to link to. Look for the address box, and in that field, enter or paste the URL of the external website. For example, you might paste something like https://example.com. Make sure the full link is correct, including the HTTPS part, so Word knows it is an external web address. Before clicking OK, take a quick moment to double-check the URL. This is important because even a small typo can send people to the wrong page or create a broken link. If the address looks good, click OK to apply it. Word will immediately turn your selected text into a hyperlink. You'll know it worked because the text will usually appear blue and underlined, which means it is now clickable. If you hold Ctrl and click the text, Word should open the external website in your browser. That's the basic process, and it only takes a few seconds once you get used to it. If you want to edit the hyperlink later, just right-click the linked text and choose Edit Hyperlink. From there, you can change the URL, update the display text, or remove the link completely if you no longer need it. You can also remove a hyperlink by right-clicking it and selecting Remove Hyperlink, which is helpful if you pasted the wrong address by accident. A few quick tips can help you work faster. First, always use clear link text instead of pasting long URLs directly into your document. This makes your document look much more professional. Second, make sure the website you are linking to is trustworthy and correct. Third, if you're sharing the document with other people, test the link before sending it out so you know it opens properly. And that's how to create external hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. It's fast, simple, and a great way to make your documents more useful and interactive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.